How to register at Garena. So if you want to register to your Garena, then first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Garena. And after searching, here you will have www.garena.com. You can simply click on that. And now you can go for account, which is here on the upper right. Click on that account, and here you need to go for register a new account. Click on register, and to register to your Garena, first you need to enter your username on the first blank, and after that enter your password or create a password. So if your username says that it has been already taken, then you need to enter a unique username, and after that create a password and then re-enter your password, and you need to enter your email address on this blank. And after entering your password and your email address, here you need to enter your country code. So simply choose your country code, and after that here you need to link your mobile number, but this is optional. And after entering all of this, you can simply click on this get code, by which you will get a code to your email address which you have just entered. So simply click on get code, and now you need to open up your mail, and here you will get this code, right? So simply copy this code, and after that paste it here, and then click on register now. And that's it. Now you have created your Garena account, and you can simply go for login now, and you can log into your account by entering the same email and the password that you have used while creating. So that's it. That's how you create your Garena account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.